So find HCF and LCM of algebraic expressions. So 4.1, lesson number 4.1, algebraic formula. Okay. So now we will see the first formula. The first four formula and the corollaries related to them have been elaborately discussed in class 7. Here those are repeated, okay? These already we started in grade 7, now it's repeated in grade 8. Okay.
Yes.
The geometric explanation of a plus b whole square is as follows. The area of the whole square equal to a plus b into
A plus B.
right? So double a plus b.
Yes.
You have to, I mean, while there is a square over a number, then we need to multiply that number with the same number, right?
Yes.
So that is a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square equal to a into a plus
A plus
b
B
plus
plus B
b.
into A plus B.
So this way we can express, right?
Yes.
Let's break it down. The same thing as its equal sign. That means this, the value of this a plus b whole square equal to the value of this. Okay, the same thing. Just you express in a different way. That is a kind of corollary. Okay.
Okay.
So you can also express this way and this way as well. So a square plus ab plus again ab, right?
Yes.
So the first one, a, while you multiply a with a, that is a square. Then when you multiply b with a, that is ab, right? And then again this plus symbol. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so and then b and a multiplied ab, right? Same. And b square. Okay. So a square plus ab, that means 2ab, right? Plus b
Yes.
square. That means a plus b whole square equal to the
A
formula
square plus 2AB
equation
plus B
is
square.
the yes equation is of a plus b whole square is a square plus 2 plus b square.
B
Okay.
square.
So
Okay.
now see this in this diagram. The same thing. Okay.
Okay.
Here this square is divided into 4 parts. Okay. The first
Okay.
part is a square. The second part is ab. Okay.
Okay.
The third part is ab. So how actually this happens? So this part is a and this part is b. Okay. Again, I mean this is horizontal. Sorry, vertical. So vertical left hand side is a and vertical right hand side is b.
B.
Horizontal top one is a
A.
and horizontal bottom one is
Below.
below. So below one is b. So now b a b, right?
Yes. B
Okay. So horizontally and vertically we get
square.
to I mean 1, 2, 3. Okay, horizontally how many a? 2a, right? And vertically 2a. Horizontally
2A.
b and vertically 2b, right?
Yes.
This horizontally and this vertically. Okay.
Okay.
So here a square and ab. Again here ab
AB.
and b square. Okay.
Okay.
So now if we multiply the 4 parts of the square, then what it will be? A square
A
plus
square plus
ab.
2AB plus B square.
Okay. So we add all the 4s, you know,
Yes.
rectangular inside
All
the
4.
square, the equation. So again, the sum of the areas of the parts of the square, a into a. Here actually we already discussed these things. Okay.
Okay.
So algebraic formula and applications. Observe that the area of the whole square equal to the sum of the squares of the parts of the square, right?
Yes.
So we observe that area of the whole square, like a plus b whole square, that is the area of the whole square, okay, is
Okay.
equal to the sum of the parts of this square, right?
Yes.
Like this is the whole square and this is the parts of the squares and we added those, right? And while we add these, then that is called the sum, right?
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
right. So any square, if you divide, then the whole square will be equal to the sum of the divided parts, right? That's the formula.
Yes.
Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. It doesn't matter how many parts you divide the square, but the equation will be the same as or equal to the whole square. Okay.
Okay.
So in class 7, formula and corollary, which we have known are as follows. So formula 1 is,
3
please
plus
write
b
down.
whole
Can
square.
you please write down?
Okay, done.
Okay, very good. So this is formula 1 and formula 2. Again, write down
Yes,
a
sir.
minus b. While
Done.
okay, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So in words, the square of the difference of two quantities, right?
Yes.
So these two quantities and those are difference. While we subtract, that is difference, equal to the square of first quantity minus 2 times first quantity, right? Into
Yes.
second quantity plus the square of second quantity. That is the expression in words. The same formula expression in words.
Words.
Okay. And the square of the sum of two quantities equal to the square of first quantity plus 2 times first quantity into second quantity plus the square of second quantity. Okay. Now formula 3, a square minus b square. What will be equal to a plus b into
A minus b.
minus b? Yeah. So in words, the difference of squares two
Squares.
quantities equal to the sum of two quantities into the difference of two quantities. Okay.
Okay.
Now formula 4, x plus a into x plus b, right? What will be that?
Yes.
Here we just we did the formula with a and b. Now we add x, and also we here used a and b as well, right?
Yes.
In the first part, in the first quantity there are a, in the second quantity there are b, right? And x is
Yes.
added with both quantities, right? Both quantity a and quantity b, right?
Yes.
So the same number added with different quantities. If you multiply that, then that will be equal to x square plus, I mean that number is square plus A plus B into X plus AB, okay?
Okay.
So that is another formula. So you have to memorize this, you have to write down this, and you have to stick the written formula on your study wall, okay?
Okay.
So while you do algebraic formula and calculation, then you need this from your memory, okay?
Okay.
So next time while we ask you, then you have to tell the theory, I mean the formula, okay?
Okay.
So these are the theory or the foundation of algebra, the basic foundation. And you have to memorize this. 4 formula, okay? There are lots of formula, only we have discussed 4 formula here. So, right. Inverse, if the first terms of 2 binomial expressions, binomial, that means 2 number, right? Are the
Yes.
same. If the first terms of 2 binomial expressions are the same, the product will be equal to the sum of square of the first term. Product of the first term with the sum of the second terms with their usual signs, and product of the second 2 terms with their usual signs. That is x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus algebraic sum of a and b into x plus product of a and b, right? That means a multiplied by b, okay?
Okay.
So when we multiply, then the equation is called product. When we add, then the equation is called sum, right?
Yes.
And when you divide, then the equation or consequence is called quotient. Okay.
Okay.
Now see the corollary. Here are 6 corollaries. The same thing expressed in different way. Okay.
Okay.
For example, a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. The same thing you can write a minus b whole square plus 2ab, right? The same thing you can also,
Yes.
it's a different way, a plus b whole square, okay, equal to a minus b whole square plus
Okay.
4ab. And the same thing you can express a plus b whole square minus 4ab, okay?
Okay.
So this corollary you need to keep in mind as well, okay? These also part of formula, right? Corollaries are also part of formula. When you memorize these, you don't to calculate the same thing again and again, okay? You can write from your memory, okay? So in algebra, the first thing is memorize the formula, okay? Corollary and formula. Okay, the fifth one is 2 into a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. And corollary 6, 4ab equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, okay?
Okay. So would you give me a time to note it?
Yeah, sure, sure. This is page number 49, okay? In your textbook, mathematics textbook, page number 49. So now,
Sir, done.
very good. Did you write also the last one? Written with
Yes.
a b equal to a plus b divided by 2 whole square minus a minus b divided by 2 whole square. Okay,
Okay.
that's fine. So now we learn how to find the square of the number. Okay,
Okay.
so here is a number and you have to find the square of it. So how you gonna do that?
I know how to.
Yeah, then do it, please. So you have to use the theory, I mean formula one, okay, to do this.
Okay.
A plus b whole square formula, okay?
Okay.
So a square here, tx, just you have to, assume that tx
Yes.
is a and 5y is b.
A. 3x is A, 5y is B.
Yes, yes.
So done.
Okay, very good. So what's your answer? Does the
It's
math
9x
this
is,
one?
yes, it
9x
does.
square
9.
30xy plus 225y square. Okay, very good. Now find the square of 25 by applying the formula of squares. 25.
Okay, that's easy.
You can break it down with like 20 plus 5 whole square, okay? Then you will
Okay.
find A and B, like 20A and 5B. Again, when you add 20 plus 5, then the sum will be 25. I mean, the same thing. So
Okay.
here, again, formula 1 is used here. A square plus 2AB plus B square, okay?
Okay.
So the square of 25 will be 600,
25.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Right, now find the square of 4x minus 7y. It will fall under the formula for formula 2, okay?
Okay.
A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So practice example 3.
Now.
Yes, yes, yes. 4x minus 7y.
Okay.
I just hide the calculation so that you can do it on your own, okay?
Okay.